Introducing the Hand Mixer Electric, a versatile kitchen tool designed to elevate your baking and cooking experience. With its powerful 450W motor and innovative features, this hand mixer makes whipping, mixing, and kneading effortless. The unique scale cup storage case allows you to conveniently measure and store ingredients. With 5 variable speed settings and an extra turbo button, you have full control over your mixing process. The one-button eject design and stainless steel beaters ensure easy cleanup and hassle-free operation. Join us as we explore the exceptional features of the Hand Mixer Electric and discover why it's a must-have for any kitchen. Here are the key features of Hand Mixer Electric. Scale cup storage case for convenient measurement. Say goodbye to messy countertops. The Hand Mixer Electric comes with a unique scale cup storage case that allows you to hold water and flour as a scale cup while you're using the mixer. This innovative feature keeps your ingredients organized and eliminates the need for additional measuring cups. After use, simply store all the attachments neatly in the storage base, ensuring nothing gets lost in your kitchen. 5 variable speed settings and turbo boost for precision mixing. Achieve the perfect consistency with the 5 variable speed settings of the Hand Mixer Electric. Whether you're whisking, mixing, or kneading, you can adjust the speed to suit your recipe. Additionally, the Turbo Boost button provides an extra power boost when you need to quickly mix or whip ingredients. With a powerful 450W motor, this hand mixer ensures efficient and quick results every time. One-button eject design and fixed stainless steel beaters. Cleaning and switching beaters has never been easier. The Hand Mixer Electric features a convenient one-button eject design that allows you to dismantle or clean the beaters with ease. Simply press the button, and the beaters will release effortlessly. The fixed stainless steel beaters ensure stability during operation, making it convenient and safe to use the hand mixer with one hand. Versatile attachments for all your cooking needs. The Hand Mixer Electric comes with 5 stainless steel attachments, including 2 dough hooks, 2 beaters, and a whisk. This versatile set of attachments is perfect for various cooking and baking tasks. Whether you're kneading dough, mixing batter, or whisking cream, this hand mixer has you covered. Experience the convenience of having the right tools for all your culinary creations. Exceptional after-sales service. We are committed to providing excellent customer support. With 24-hour online customer service and a 365-day free replacement policy for product problems, we ensure your satisfaction with the Hand Mixer Electric. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, our dedicated support team is here to assist you.